Well, if you didn't know this, it's illegal to pass a school bus. It's all to keep our kids safe. But there are some changes to that law that's going to make some of the penalties a little bit stiffer, maybe to encourage you not to do it. We all know we shouldn't, but Mandy Knoll joining us now. And Mandy, we already know, don't pass a school bus, but now there are some really steep consequences.
Yeah, and we tell you this every year, but people still do it. So this year in the legislative session, it's one of the things you may not have heard about, but our lawmakers amended the existing law that says it's illegal to pass buses, and they made it steeper punishment for people who do it anyway, even though we know not to. So here's what we're talking about. If you do it, you face a fine of $250 to $1,000. You will be paying something if you're convicted of it, but at least $250. You could also be sentenced to jail time up to 90 days. You could be hit with both the fine and the jail time. The amendment says you have to be at least 30 feet from the bus if a bus is stopped with its flashers on. And this is a misdemeanor, so it's going to go on your record, and it's both ways if you're on a road or if you're on a highway. And then we've been talking all this morning about, you know, the reaction. Pulaski County Schools, the special school district came out yesterday and said we really support this. We're glad that it's happening because the safety of our staff and our students is our top priority. And lawmakers definitely supporting that and saying, yeah, we got to stop doing this. We need to see drivers respecting school buses and respecting the safety of students getting on and off the buses. That's why these changes are in place, and you're not seeing any school buses right now, but in a couple of months, as kids are going back to class and they're going back to in-person classes, you're going to see school buses a lot more on the road, so keep this in mind. Live in Pulaski County, I'm Mandy Knoll. Back to you.